viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewer, in this video I am giving you information how to create paper wallet of your Bitcoin or any other wallet. Yes, you can easily create your paper wallet and you can save your amount. And you can also import your paper wallet to with your private key on any other wallet. I will give you information in next videos how to import your paper wallet or any other wallet with your private key. If you want to get this information about paper wallet, so you must watch this video till end. This video is going to be informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So viewers, now I'm going to open google.com because today I'm going to create a paper wallet. The paper wallet is basically cold storage wallet, and you can easily save your amount. But I'm not recommended to any website where you can create a paper wallet. This video is only for just demonstration purpose. You just get the information how to create a paper wallet, and if you want to create a paper wallet, it's depend only for you. Just I'm going to open the Google. Simple, you open Google. After that, you can see here there's the search bar. Just simple paper. I already have the search. You can see here paper wallet generator. You can use any other website like bitcoinpaperwallet.com. It's depend only at you. I'm not recommended to any website. I just giving to information or demonstration purpose how to create a paper wallet just for information. So I'm not going to recommend to any website. So please again keep in your mind, it's depend on you. So I have right here paper wallet generator. There is the first website paperwalletgenerator.net. When I click on it, you can see here the paper wallet generator.net open front of me. And let's suppose if I want to create a paper wallet on this website of Bitcoin, this is so easy, simple. You can create your paper wallet randomly with your mouse. You can see here if I'm moving my mouse on my desktop screen, the digit is decreasing. You can see here I'm moving anywhere on my desktop screen, and properly the decrypting or creating my paper wallet with my private key, and now it's going to create it. Yes, you can see here my paper wallet is created, and this is my public address. This is my public address. If I want to deposit on this Bitcoin wallet address, so I just simple send this address, not this private key, because this is my wallet private key. If I have shared this private key, then I will lose my all amount. So when you have created this paper wallet, so you must open notepad file. Also I'm going to open notepad file. You also make the print of this paper wallet. First I need to copy my public address and my private key of my notepad file. So I'm going to open notepad file. I have opened my notepad file. So I need to copy my first public address or your wallet address or Bitcoin wallet address. Bitcoin wallet address, double dot, just simple copy and paste, and now going to write here private key of Bitcoin wallet, double dot. I'm just going to copy. I have copy and paste here. I will save this file after stop this video and make a multiple copy. But again, keep in your mind, you must take a screenshot
because sometimes if you lost your private key, you can easily scan this QR code. I already gave you information how to scan QR code. You just simple go to the Play Store and download the QR code scanner and get easily scan this QR code and get the private key. When you have created your paper wallet, so you must follow these steps. The first is that generate a new address. You can easily generate a new address. Print the paper wallet. If you want to print the paper wallet, so there is option. You just simple click on print. So paper wallet, the show with your printer front of you, and you just simple click on print. Then your paper will be printed. So you can save this print on any safe place, and you can make the multiple copy. Click the paper wallet tab and print the page on high quality setting. Never save the page as a PDF file to print it later, since a file is more likely to hack than pieces of paper. Okay. The third number is that step number 3 is fold the paper wallet. When you have printed your paper wallet, so you just simple fold. You can see it in the picture, first, second, and third. How can you fold your paper wallet? Step 4 is that share your public address. I already gave you information about the public address. Use your public address to receive money from other cryptocurrency users. You can share your public address as much as you want. Step number 5, keep your private key secret. The private key is let it the key to your coins. If someone want to obtain it, they could withdraw the fund currently in the wallet and any fund that might be deposited in the wallet. So here's you can read this option or read this step. You can see here, if you forget, sorry, if you share your private key, then any person withdraw your amount from your wallet. So don't share your private key to any person. So consider this porting, so not any information for you in downside. So where I hope you properly understand how can you create the paper wallet. And let's suppose if you want to create a new paper wallet, so just simple click on generate new address. You can see here is generate new address, but I recommend it to you if you want to create a new paper address. You just simple go to the refresh and new page will be open front of you. The new page is open front of me. I just simple click skip and now select again Bitcoin or any other coin, like I select BBQ coin. So if I want to again click and skip, so just going to again select the Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin. So you can see here how can again create a new paper wallet. This is the method of create a paper wallet. You can create a multiple paper wallet. And again, keep in your mind, if you have one BTC, so please save your one BTC in different addresses, not in one address. This is security purpose. Sometimes you hack your wallet, so remaining amount you will save. So viewers, I hope properly understand about paper wallet. If you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Walls Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowallsinfo.com. In incoming videos, I will give you information how to import paper wallet in blockchain. So you must watch my next videos. So meet with you in new video. Bye bye.